The Dodgers and Yankees will pay Major League Baseball a combined $52 million in luxury taxes on top of their 2017 payrolls. The clubs want those figures to be zero by this time next year. LA is a taxpayer for a fifth consecutive season, according to figures compiled by the Comptroller's Office that were published Tuesday by the Associated Press. As such, it owes Major League Baseball $36.2 million for again exceeding the tax threshold. The Dodgers' 2017 payroll for tax purposes was $253.6 million. The threshold was $195 million. The Yankees, who have been over the threshold for all 15 seasons of the tax, owe $15.7 million, a relative pittance compared to previous payments. Their tax payouts have totaled $341 million dating to 2003, the AP reported. Fagan, ranking a stacked 18 to 19 FA Class 5 clubs in all will pay the luxury tax in 2017, the Dodgers, Yankees, Giants $4.1 million, Tigers $3.6 million and Nationals $1.4 million. The Giants and Tigers finished last in their respective divisions while the other three clubs made the playoffs. The Dodgers lost to the Astros in 7 games in the World Series. MLB uses the average annual value of contracts, bonuses, benefits for players and other expenses to calculate clubs' payrolls as of the end of the season. Half the tax money goes toward funding player benefits, while other portions go to players' retirement funds and to teams that don't pay taxes. Yankees principal owner Hal Steinbrenner has insisted for years that he wants to get below the threshold, and his team is in good position to make that happen in 2018 even after acquiring Giancarlo Stanton $25 million AAV from the Marlins. New York's strong young core won't be making big money for another season or two, which will keep the payroll temporarily under control. The club also traded third baseman Chase Headley's $13 million salary to the Padres at the winter meetings and second baseman Starlin Castro's $8.57 AAV to the Marlins in the Stanton deal. More, Judge itching to learn from Stanton if New York stays under MLB's $197 million threshold in 2018, it will pay only a 20% penalty the next time it goes over. That next overage is expected in 2019 after the Bombers bid on and perhaps sign Bryce Harper or Manny Machado in the 18 offseason. The Dodgers could also be in on at least Harper, and they have the added complication of possibly needing to re-sign ace Clayton Kershaw if he opts out of his contract following the 18 season. LA put itself a few million closer to avoiding the tax after next season when it traded 3 big contracts, Adrian Gonzalez, Scott Kazmir and Brandon McCarthy, to the Braves on Saturday for Matt Kemp. Another good reason for avoiding the tax penalties are expanding next year to also involve draft picks and international bonus money per baseball's latest collective bargaining agreement.